Before you go ahead and buy that house, well, you might want to listen to this. Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. So you're thinking about buying a home and of course you want to make sure that you're making a smart investment. So not a lot of people think about the roof before purchasing a home, and here's the thing, you really want to get an inspection done before you purchase a home, especially if it's an old roof. Why? Well, I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so if the house is literally brand new, it's freshly built, then this might not be necessary. However, if the home is a little older or really old, then you really need to pay attention to this. Think about it this way. You purchase this new house, you've spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to then move in and find that you have some damages on your roof, or even worse, that you might need to have a complete roof replacement. The average price to replace a roof varies anywhere between $5,000 to $24,000. So how do you set yourself up for success when it comes to buying a new home? Well, today I'm going to share with you some questions that you can ask, and you should ask, a real estate agent or the homeowner. How old is the roof? Now, depending on the type of material that the roof is made out of, it will give you an indication if it is time for this roof to get an inspection. There are a lot of factors that affect the lifespan of a roof, such as ventilation, the climate, and maintenance. But I am going to give you the average lifespan for these roofing materials. 3-tab shingles, 10 to 20 years. Architectural shingles, 15 to 25 years. Metal and tile, 50 years and more. The next question you can ask them is, when and what was the last repair made on the roof? Having a good understanding of the roof's history will give you a good understanding on the roof's condition. And of course, what to keep an eye out for. For instance, if the roof has suffered a leak or that the flashing have been recently replaced, or the gutters. This will also give you an insight if the previous homeowner has actually taken good care of their roof. Think of it like purchasing a car. If the previous owner kept up with the maintenance, took good care of their car is most likely going to perform really well. And therefore, the car is in good condition. So the same goes for your roof. Is the roof under warranty? Purchasing a house with a roof that is still under warranty is the best case scenario. This means that the roof is relatively new, and of course that you don't have to worry about paying for roofing materials that are defected. Okay, so now that you have all this information, what do you need to do next? So if the roof is old and there has been some severe issues to the roof, especially recently, then you most likely want to get a professional roofer to come out and do a roof inspection. Having a professional coming out and taking a look at the roof will simply give you insights on the roof, whether it will need any repairs or the condition of the roof itself. Now, if the roof does need any repairs or needs to be replaced in the near future, then this actually gives you a little bit of leverage to possibly negotiate with the homeowner. Remember, the seller really wants the best price that somebody can offer them on their home and isn't really thinking about the long-term condition of the roof. The real estate agent can really help you to come up with a plan to negotiate with the homeowner. So can I negotiate a new roof when buying a home? Whether you can or whether you cannot really comes down to the factor that if you do need to replace the roof, you need to take in consideration that after purchasing the home, you might need to fork out another $5,000 to $25,000. That is a lot of additional money to spend on top of what you have already spent for the house. So this is really something that is up to you, but of course you want to try and negotiate if you really love the home. How to negotiate a new roof when buying a home? Now that you have received a detailed roof inspection, you can bring in the muscle power when it comes to negotiating. Remember, real estate agents are experienced negotiators, and if this is a type of case scenario that is a win-win for both you and the homeowner, the previous homeowner, then I am sure that the real estate agent will try to find a happy medium for the both of you. The point is you want to be able to show facts on the fact that this roof is going to cost you more after purchasing the home, and that of course it is also in the best interest of the seller to negotiate with you. The truth of the matter is that there is no single solution, and each contract will look different depending on the seller and the buyer. The question is, what is fair and reasonable to assume? You can create a 50-50 split between the two pairs. Ultimately, you really want to end up with a win-win case scenario. So what should I do if the seller is unwilling to pay for a new roof or compromise? Ultimately, as I said before, it is really up to you, and you need to take into consideration whether it is worth it to pay the additional thousands of dollars for this home that you are interested in. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like us to give you a roof inspection or a solar quote, you can always go to the description box below, or you can go to our website for more information. Have a good day.